Find or read reviews that people are talking about GADIXY Smart Watch for women. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 24/7 accurate health monitoring. Fitness tracking watch with 1.1-inch delicate touch screen, you can more easily access real-time data, such as SpO2, BMP, heart rate, step tracking, female menstrual cycle reminder, calories burned, sleep logging, stress level and more, to achieve 24 hours of health quality monitoring, tracking your daily activities and fitness goals. The specific data to enter the app to view the program. Hands-free calling and message reminder. GADIXY smartwatch built-in microphone and speaker allow you to make and receive calls conveniently and directly from your wrist. You can enjoy clear communication between the two ends of the phone. Bluetooth needs to be switched on for calls, to enhance the call experience, and receive notifications from the app, which are instantly displayed and vibrate to alert you. 110+ sport modes and IP68 waterproof. The Women's Activity Fitness Tracker monitors over 110 activities including running, walking, cycling, swimming, badminton, yoga and more. Receive real-time statistics directly on your wrist. Automatically detects your exercise and records your stats in the Fit Cloud Pro app. Besides, this smartwatch is IP68 waterproof rate, making it ideal for everyday use in the shower. Note: not suitable for use in seawater. 1.1-inch HD AMOLED screen and Milanese bracelet. Upgraded HD 1.1-inch full touch screen slides smoothly and display is high definition, delicate and compact. Adjustable brightness make it easy to use. With a Milanese steel bracelet and one silicone pink bands, the comfortable and high-quality materials adapt to the curve of your wrist, allowing you to create your style. 40 grams lightweight. Slim watch case for a lightweight and comfortable fit. Keep connected throughout the day. Stay connected with real-time access to incoming calls, texts, and app notifications directly on your wrist. Never miss an important call or message. Create timed reminders, including water or sedentary alerts on your wrist to encourage you to take a break, drink of water or a refreshing walk. And enhance your daily routine with tailored notifications for a healthier, more connected life. Perfect companion for your wrists. Women's digital smartwatch is compact and lightweight. With a dial diameter of 1.1 inches and a weight of 40 grams. It comes packaged with a classic steel strap and a casual silicone strap for you to match. And there are more than 170 dials in the app for you to choose from, as well as the ability to customize the dials, set any image from your phone as the face of the watch, and change the screen to a different one every day. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.